Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out part 3 of our Pretty Hairstyle series. First up, we got this beautiful bob. I love this burgundy color that she has here. Wow, so pretty. She has the bangs going there in the front as well. And then look number 2 also features a bob. Ooh, beautiful. She does a center part down the middle here. This bob has a lot of volume and she can play around with the placement like we're seeing here. Very cute and fun. So number 3, look, number 3 also features a bob. She has this really pretty ginger copper color here, bangs in the front. I feel like that color really adds a nice modern twist to the style. So cute. So here we see someone with long, dark hair. She is getting some color here. And she is trying out one of fall's hottest hair colors once again with the red tones. And if you guys haven't noticed already, and you are not a subscriber of this channel, yes, we are going to be seeing a lot of red hair this season. This is a beautiful color, very fall. Gorgeous. So next up we have someone who has some very thick hair. Looks like the stylist is cutting some layers. So we can see that kind of wavy curly texture pop in. I wasn't quite sure what the stylist was doing here at first, but it looks like she ended up doing this really cute pixie. So pretty. So moving right along, we have someone who has salt and pepper hair. Stylist does a nice cut here. Oh, she's getting some color done and also going red. So this is a color that can work for all ages. Oh, I love it. She's like in shock with the color. And the way that the stylist cut the hair is he really added a lot of volume here with this cut. Gets her makeup done. Wow, he's talented. He can color the hair, do the makeup. I like this stylist. Very nice. He gave her the full glam makeover. I love it. so pretty. She looks gorgeous. So here we have someone else. She has some beautiful thick curly hair. She's getting some color here too. Oh, this is a beautiful color for fall. It's like a really nice caramel highlighted look. Yep, she's getting her makeup done as well. Very nice. And she got a nice layered cut too. Here we have someone with an undercut pixie, very bold color on the hair. And we got a platinum grayish color pixie style. Ooh, look at this bob. Beautiful asymmetrical bob. And then we got another pixie bob variation. So many gorgeous ways you can wear your hair for the fall season. Oh, look at this pixie. This is actually more like a baby mullet. Oh, I love this. Very rocker chic. And we got a nice shoulder length bob here with the layers. So here we have someone with hair around waist length. And she gets this beautiful bob that comes to around the shoulder length. Gorgeous angle here. Oh, so she already has some red color. I bet she's getting like a touch up here. This cuts the hair. There she is, getting the color touched up. Oh, he brought out her natural curls. Very nice. That color looks so pretty. I love the natural curls, and she did like a curly bob style here. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.